Hello students, welcome to class 8 maths. Today we are going to see the fourth chapter life mathematics exercise 4.1. In this we are going to use the application of percentage in word problem. You know what is meant by percent. Percent means per 100 or out of 100 and it is denoted by the symbol and x. Percentage denotes the fraction x by 100. If percentage symbol means you have to write in fraction by 100. It is very useful in comparing quantities easily. Your first question, rewrite each underlined part using the percentage language. One half of the cake is distributed to the children. One half of you will write 1 by 2. To convert into percentage, what you have to do? Into 100. So in 2 table, 2 ones are 2 50s are, which is equal to 50 percentage. Aparna scored 7.5 points out of 10 in a competition. So to convert this one into a percent, what you will do? 7.5 by 10 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. Then 750. Here before one number they given the point. So if you keep the point here, your answer is 75%. The statue was made up of pure silver. So pure silver means 100 by 100 into 100%. You have to write the percentage symbol. Without writing the percentage symbol, your answer is wrong because they ask you to convert the underlined part using the percentage language. Then your fourth question, 48 out of 50 students participate in sports. Therefore, 48 by 50 into 100. 51s are 52s are. Then 2 8s are 16, carry 1. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 96%. So to convert into percentage, what you have to do? You have to multiply by 100. Next, your fifth question, do as homework. We'll move to the next one. Next, third question, 48 is 32% of which number? They are asking you to find this 48 is 32% they given. Of which number? So you have to find out the number. So here for 38% of which number, we don't know the number, so let the number be x. So in the place of number you will write x. 32% of means into 32% of which number? So we don't know that number, so we are writing as x is equal to, is means equal to 48. First frame the equation. Let the number be x. We don't know the number, so we are assuming as x. 32% of means multiplication into x is equal to 48. Now we need only the x value. Keep the x as it is and bring this 32% to this side. 32% means how you will write? 32 by 100. If you bring this 32 by 100 to this side, you will get 100 by 32. Then cancel it. 4 8s are 4 12s are. Then again 4 table 2 times 3 times. Here 50 which is equal to 3 into 50 equal to 3 5s are 15 and 0. So 150. The number required to found be 150. That is your x value is equal to 150. Then next one. What is 25% of 30% of 400? Of means multiplication. So write it. Required to find is equal to 25% into 30% of 400. So first you have to find 30% of 400. 30% means 30 by 100 into 400. If you cancel, you will get 120. Then next, second. Next 25% of 120. Here you got 30% of 400 is equal to 120. Therefore 25% of 120 is equal to dash. You have to find it out. 25 by 100 into 120. So in 25 table, 25 ones are, 25 fours are, 4 table, 4 threes are, then the 0. So 30. If a car is sold for rupees 2 lakhs from its original price of rupees 3 lakhs, then find the percentage of decrease in the value of the car. First you have to find out how much amount is decreased from the original price. Original price is rupees 3 lakhs. Selling price of car is equal to rupees 2 lakhs. Therefore decrease in amount. Is equal to, if you minus 1 lakh. So decrease in amount is 1 lakh. Now you have to find the percentage of the decrease in the value of the car. Percentage decrease is equal to decrease in amount by original amount into 100, which is equal to decrease in amount is 1 lakh, original amount is 3 lakhs into hundreds. So if you cancel, will get 100 by 3, which is equal to 33 1 by 3%. If the difference between 75% of a number and 60% of the same number is 82.5. So what they given? Difference. Difference means you have to subtract. 75% of a number. We don't know the number. So in the place of a number, you will assume as x. Again, and 60% of the same number. So again with the same number. That means here also you have to assume as x, which is equal to 82.5. So first write, let the number be x. We don't know the number, so we are assuming as x. And then difference between 75% of x, difference means minus 60% of x, which is equal to 82.5. So 75% means how you will write? 75 by 100 into x by 60 by 100 into x, which is equal to 82.5. Now here subtraction sign means in middle you have to take the denominator common. So common denominator here 100 only. So 75 x minus 60x. So if the denominator are common, you will directly subtract the numerator. So if you subtract 75 minus 60 is 15x by 100, which is equal to 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. As before they given, before one number they given the decimal point. So here keep before one number, keep the point. So your answer is 550. Therefore, the number required is 550. The next part in the same question is, then find 20% of that number. So here find 20% of that number. X value, x is equal to 550. So in the place of the number you have to write 550. 20% of that number. That is 20% of 550. 20 by 100 into 550. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 5, 5, 2 5s are 10, carry 1. Again 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Next, 7th question. A number when increased by 18% gives 236. Find the number. So, we don't know the number. We are assuming as x. Let the number be x. Increased. A number when increased means a number is x. Increased means plus 18% of x is equal to 236. So if you write here 18 by 100 into x is equal to 236. If plus sign is in middle means you have to take the denominator. Common denominator is for 1 and 100 is 100. So cross multiple into 100 into 1. Therefore 100x plus 18x is equal to 236. 118 by 100x. If you add 100 plus 18 is 118 by 100. X is equal to 236. Therefore x is equal to 236 into, if you bring this 118 by 100 to your right hand side is 100 by 118. So in 2 table, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 9s are 2 1s are 2 1s are, then carry 1, 2 8s are. Then in 59 1s are 59 2s are, which is equal to 2 into 100 is equal to 200. Therefore the number is 200. X is equal to 200. Next question. A number is increased by 25% and then decreased by 20%. Find the change in that number. So first find out a number. Let the number be x. Increased by 25%. Therefore x plus 25% of x, which is equal to x plus 25 by 100 into x. So you have to take the common denominator 100 into 100 cross multiplication into 1. That is 100x plus 25x, which is equal to 125x by 100. And then decreased by 20%. And then that means this number is decreased by 20%. Therefore 20% of 125x by 100. If you take this one as first, then 20 by 100 into 125 by 100. 20% of 125 by 100. So if you cancel here 2 table, then 2 1s are 2 5s are. Then in 25 table 5 times 4 times. Then here 5 1s are 5 1s are, which is equal to x by 4. Then numbers decrease by 25% is 125x by 100, and then the number is decreased by 20%, so 20% of that number 125x by 100 you get x by 4. So you have to subtract 1 and 2 to get any change in that number. Here if you cancel 5 times 4 times 5x by 4 minus x by 4, which is equal to 4 common denominator. Therefore directly you can subtract the numerator, which is equal to 4x by 4. If you cancel, the answer is x. So there is no change in that number because we get the value x itself. Write it down. There is no change in that number. 10th question. The ratio of boys and girls in a class is 5:3. If 16% of boys and 8% of girls failed in an examination, then find the percentage of passed students. So first write ratio of boys and girls is equal to 5:3. Total students equal to, always when they given in the ratio, write it as 5x and then 3x, which is equal to 8x. Total students is equal to 8x. Here 5x is boys and 3x is girls. Then percentage of boys failed is equal to 16%. Therefore percentage of boys passed is equal to 100 minus 16, which is equal to 84%. The same way percentage of girls failed is equal to 8%. Percentage of girls passed is equal to 100 minus 8 is equal to 92%. Now you have to find out the number of boys passed. So number of boys passed, here 84%, that is 84% of 5x, which is equal to 84 by 100 into 5x. So if you multiply, you will get 420x by 100. This is your first equation. Now number of girls passed is equal to 92% of girls is 3x. Therefore 92 by 100 into 3x, which is equal to 276x by 100. Number of passed by boys and girls is equal to, boys is 420x by 100 and girls is 276x by 100. If you see here, the denominators are common, so add the numerator. 696x, which is equal to 696x by 100. Therefore number of passed students is equal to 696x by 100. Now we are going to find the percentage of past students is equal to number of passed by boys and girls by total students, which is equal to number of students is equal to number of passed by boys and girls and then total students into 100. So number of passed by boys and girls is 96x by 100 and then total students is 80x. Therefore 100 and 100 cancel. Here 8 table, 8 8s are 64, carry 5, 8 7s are 56. So 87 x by x. If you cancel x, which is equal to 87%. Therefore, percentage of past students is equal to 87%.